So hello everyone, this is part 3 for the courses module basics. I'll first explain the code just like my previous videos. So first I've started color. We are using the default colors. We'll see the color content for 4 and we'll try and change it to 255, 2550. Since this changes it permanently, we'll have to change it back. So I'm again changing it to 50200. They are the RGB values. Now we are seeing the cursor visibility. First the cursor is visible, then we'll set it to invisible by using curse set 0. We'll set it to very visible using 2. And now we will check the cursors dot get syx, that is the current coordinates, and we'll also try checking it by window dot get yx. Now we'll add a box using screen dot box. We'll check the current background character. Then we'll set the background character as C, the letter. We'll again get the current background character. We'll try resizing the window using screen.resize. And we'll try to erase the window, that is clear the window using screen.erase. We will check if cursors.isEndWin gives true or false. What does the value show before and after using cursors.endWin. So here is the demonstration. The color content is this. We have changed it to here. Now the cursor is visible, invisible, and highly visible. The current coordinates using window and cursors. Now a box will appear. There is a box here. The current background character is space. Now we set it to C. So here you can see all the spaces are replaced by C. The window is resized. Now we will erase the window and it's done. So the functions we saw in this article are window.box, window.resize, window.erase, window.getBackground, window.background set, window.getYX, window.refresh, window.addStr, cursors.getSyx, cursors.isEndWin. Here it will be win. The init color, cursors.curseSet, cursors.colorContent, cursors.startColor, cursors.initScreen, cursors.napms, cursors.endWin. So here you can see before calling the function, this is false, and otherwise it returns true cursors.isEndWin. I'll show you the output once more for clarity. So all spaces will be replaced by C. We are resizing the window and then erasing this window. And that's it. IsEndWin before and after calling the cursors.endWin. That's all for this video. Check out the article below, linked below, and thank you so much for watching.